Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add a back to top button onto our Wix Harmony site. Here's how you can do it. Go to the add button on the upper left. Go to all and go to button. And select a button here that you'd like to use. You don't have to worry about it not saying the exact thing you want it to say. We can just customize that later on. Once you find one you like, you can click on it and it'll be added to your page. Position it properly or to wherever you want to place it, but preferably on the lower right would be better. So now our button's here. It's time for us to customize its appearance or design. So click on it, go to the all design options on the action bar above, and from here, you can work on your button and the icon inside it so that it would appear as it's supposed to appear. So anyway, you can change your fill colors. So you can change it to something that would match your branding, for example. And you can set the other things here like the borders, corners, shadow spacing, and layout. But in my case, I won't be doing that for now. I'll just be doing this. So now we're going to customize the icon. Okay, but first we're going to click on customize icon over here so that we can change it to an arrow that's pointing to the top. So let's go ahead and click on replace over here. We're going to look for an arrow from Wix's media library and let's choose this one, say for example. Click on choose file and as you can see, our icon here has been successfully replaced. Now we are going to change its color. So we're going to go back to all design options once again and work on our icon. So we're going to change it to something else that would easily be seen. So I've changed it to white and now it can easily be seen. So great. Now we're done working on its design. We're going to go ahead and set up its function. So click on it and click on link. Click on choose a link. And from the options here, make sure that you select top or bottom of page and then that you select top. Then click on done. And one last thing we need to do is to pin it to the screen so that it remains on the same position. So right click on it, click on pin to screen. We're going to select the bottom right over here and we're going to fine tune it by using this slider over here. And once you're done, you can close this window now and your changes will automatically be saved. Now, if you want to see if it works, you can click on preview, try scrolling to the very bottom of your page, and then try clicking on your back to top button to see if it works. And it does. So there you go. That's how you add a back to top button within the Wix Harmony Editor. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.